Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and for today's video I have a Watch Me Resin video on how to make this flowery spring resin box. And these are all the materials that I got from my elves box from Sophie and Toffee, so scroll through to see what other materials I got in the box. So I mixed the 2-part resin in a measuring cup, and I believe it was a 2-to-1 ratio with 2A and 1B, and I poured 40 milliliters of A and 20 milliliters of B, and when I mixed that together it filled the entire box. Then I mixed in some Pearl X powder to give it a pearly shine. And I also added some pink pigment that came with my Sophie and Toffee box, and I mixed it together so I have this kind of cherry blossom like pearly color. Then I poured the resin mixture into both molds and let it cure for 12 hours. And once cured, I demolded the resin from the mold. So to decorate the lid, I put some dried flowers on top. And some cherry blossom stickers. Along with some dried flower petals that I decided to scatter all around the lid. Next I poured some UV resin onto the lid, and using a toothpick I made sure the resin spread to all the edges, and once completed I allowed that to cure under the UV lamp for 2 minutes. So I got this gold bookmark in the Sophie and Toffee's box, and I decided to place that in the container. And I poured some UV resin all over the insides. And I tipped the container from side to side, making sure that the UV resin got to all the corners. And I decided to scatter some more flower petals all over the bottom and cover that with UV resin, and let that cure under the UV lamp for 2 more minutes. And once completely cured, you should have something that looks like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple video. It is a Watch Me Resin. I decided to narrate this video because it seems like more people want to hear my narrations of my Watch Me Resins rather than just watching it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what other videos you want to see in the comment section below. Thank you!